2 now, and this is a view out toward the mountains. You can see sunshine there, but we have a mountain wave cloud in place, so we'll talk more about your weather forecast coming up. But first, more importantly, let's talk some beer, because I have Steve here with me, and Steve is here because we love craft beer in Colorado, and next week, there are more than a dozen cities across the state that are taking part in Colorado Craft Beer Week. So, as I said, Steve is here from the Brewers Guild, and you're here to tell us all about it. Now,
sure.
There's something very cool about this that beer lovers would like, and that's that everything's custom.
Well, for the Collaboration Fest to wrap up Colorado Craft Beer Week on March 25th, we're going to have 110 beers brewed just for that day at the Collaboration Festival. So we're going to be leading up to that big pinnacle event.
And it goes from Saturday, this Saturday, all the way until that Saturday. What are some of the events in between?
Well, I'm heading out to the Western Slope this weekend to start the Western Slope Colorado Craft Beer Festival. And then we're going to have Education Day on Monday, Food and Beer Day Tuesday, Colorado Pint Day is on Wednesday. And that all, again, is going to lead all the way up to Collaboration Fest next Saturday.
So Colorado Pint Day on Wednesday, you can go into a number of breweries across the state, and what do you get out of that?
Sure, we got 45 breweries in Colorado that have stocked up on these cool glasses right here. These are the 14er glasses, limited edition, one-time prints. We made 7,000 of them for the day, and 45 breweries around the state are going to sell them. We got about 20 in Denver.
Okay, and some of those breweries, you went through the list with me. I mean, they're ones that we all know, so you don't have to search around too much. There's like Denver Beer Co. and a couple of others.
Epic Brewing's on there, and Joyride, and Little Machine, Call to Arms.
So if you are looking for this, you're not going to have a tough time finding it.
Probably not, no. No, and plus we have a good guide on our website, coloradobeer.org.
And you can find exactly what breweries have the glasses there. All right, so that's the middle of the week. Now, how do we get to the Saturday? What else do you got going on?
Yeah, so Saturday, we're doing tasting day on Thursday, and then all the breweries are going to be tapping their Collaboration beers Friday night to get everyone primed up for Saturday at Collaboration Fest.
All right, so let's talk about the culmination of this Collaboration Fest. It's not this Saturday, but next Saturday.
The 25th.
First of all, where is it?
It is at the National Western Stock Show Complex right here in Denver.
And how much does it cost to get in, and what does that get you?
It's going to be $60, and you're going to get 3 hours of all you can sample of 110 different beers brewed just for the day by 185 different breweries from around the world.
And that's what I led up to, is that if you're a beer freak and you like beers that people can't really get on tap all the time, kind of rare one-off things, this is your event.
It's lightning in a bottle next week. If you like rare beers and one-off beers, this is the place to go get them, because these beers will probably never be brewed again unless they're going to take them to the next step. And there's some breweries that are already talking about their beers this year, maybe putting it in a bottle or a can next year.
So you've got a couple of lightning bolts in a bottle here, right? So these are one-off beers. What's the one here on my left?
Sure, this one's with Call to Arms and Spangalang. It's the White Samurai. It's a homage to two flagship beers from Great Divide and Avery. The Samurai and then the White Rascal, they combine the recipes and they brewed that.
White Rascal? All right, that's a pretty common beer that everybody knows about. So what's the style? What is it supposed to taste like? I'm going to drink it while you talk.
It's going to be like an unfiltered rice Belgian ale. So it's not like anything that's ever been brewed before, and
that is
probably
good.
never be brewed again,
It's skillful to marry the styles like that.
Very much so.
You can taste a little White Rascal in it. I mean, that unfiltered wheat type taste.
Probably going to have that coriander and those kind of things in there. And the rice in there is going to be like really a different sort of bready taste that you're going to get on the malt.
I was going to say, it tasted, not to get too into beer, because I can get into beer, it tasted like biscuity, kind of bready a little bit, but not in the way you'd think.
On that,
And then what is this one over here?
So it's another Spangalang beer. And they did this with Elevation out in Salida, and they call this one Free Your Dreams, and it's a juicy IPA, which is kind of the newest of trends in IPAs these days. Unfiltered IPAs that like smell like oranges and tangerines.
It actually just made my mouth water. That's the smell that you get out of this. If I drink this, I swear to you, I will not be able to talk anymore. So I'll have that after the segment. I'm telling you, my mouth is like juicy just from smelling that thing. Okay, so we got a bunch of amazing beers. These glasses are awesome. Again, you can pick those up on Wednesday. We'll put this segment on the Good Day Colorado page, or you can go to CO Beer and you can grab that list of breweries that are participating. And thank you very much for coming in, Steve.
Happy to be here. Thanks for the
hope
coverage.
to see you out there on Saturday. It looks like it's going to be a good time.
Well, I'm going to be there. Hope to see you.
If I can get out there, trust me, I will.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Great.
Thank you, Greg. Good stuff.